Hello, beautiful people. Hello. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. My name is Nisi, and this is Confidence Hub, where we're living life through God's lens. Welcome. On this channel, we talk all things faith-based content, a lifestyle, and motivation. On this video, I wanted to hop in and say Happy New Year. I wanted to chat with you guys as we start this new year, and a lot of us are inspired. We're motivated. That's, comes with the new year feeling. We're super excited. We're like, this year we're going to do better. This year is going to be the game changer. This year is when we're going to see results, right? And we tend to lose that motivation sometimes throughout the week or whatever the case may be. As the weeks come by, we tend to lose that motivation. And I'm just here to motivate you, to let you know, listen here, you don't need a new year for you to start over. You can start over whenever you want. You can start every time you wake up, you have breath in your lungs. That's a clear indication that God's work is not done with you, right? And as we start this year, some of us had really rough years, like myself. And looking back on 2025, instead of being angry about the things that you've been through, instead of being disappointed, instead of being just, hopeless, try to draw some inspiration from that. Try to draw some motivation from that. I survived this, therefore I can survive something else. And as we're walking into 2026, we want to have the spirit of gratitude, right? To understand that, yes, hardship comes, but always find, what is the lesson? What am I learning in this, right? And I get it. Not all of us can be positive, especially when you go through horrible things. You're exhausted, you're tired, and you just feel like, this is not it. This is not the life I was called to live. This life is ghetto, or whatever the case may be. I want you to just realize that, I went through this. I'm stronger. Look back at all the things and all the mistakes that you made, right? In 2025, and use that as data. Use that as a progress mark. Maybe 2 years ago, if you went through this, you would have fell apart. In 2025, you went through it. You still stand. You're still standing. And I just wanted to come on here. Happy New Year. I'm super excited for this year. I'm believing that this year is a year of a year that everything that we put in the work, we're going to see results. I'm believing that this year is a year of elevation for all of us. I'm praying that this year is a year like no other, right? A year where God really moves and show us his hand. A year where God said, you know what? You did the hard work. You did what you had to do. Here's your reward. You cried 2025, we went through all these things, but here is your reward. So I'm hoping that you guys stay focused on this year, and it's okay if you mess up, because we all mess up. It's okay if you make a mistake. Listen here, yesterday I was eating Cheerios at 10:38 p.m. Can I be real? Yesterday I was eating Cheerios at 10:38 p.m. And I know I don't eat at 10 o'clock, y'all, but guess what? Today I went out. Today I went for a walk, because guess what? We're humans. We're resilient. We fall, but we don't stay down. If you decide to stay down, that's on you, but you don't have to stay down, right? I'm super excited for this year. I started the year off going to church, just believing that, just having a spirit of expectancy, just not walking around with the hurts and the anger and all these things that happened to me in 2025, just walking with a clean heart and an open mind, ready to see what God's going to do in my life. So anyways, y'all, don't give up. Keep going. Remember that small steps every day, okay? Rome was not built in one day. So small steps every day. If you can go for a walk, you can only go for 15 minutes, go for 15 minutes, okay? If you like eating whatever you like eating and you say, you know what, I could do meatless Monday, I could do, or whatever the case may be. Maybe I drink 3 sodas, but today I'm only going to drink 1. Listen, progress is progress. No matter how small it is, how tiny it is. Listen, small little habits, when you build on them, they become big results. So I wish you a wonderful year ahead. Stay encouraged, and remember to put God as the center of your year, okay? Remember that when you make your plans, yes, they're your plans, but remember that let God be the center of everything. Let God be your universe. Don't just be making plans and expecting that it'll work, okay? Listen to me, guys, okay? Listen to me. Trust me, been there, done that, okay? Made a bunch of plans without God. Didn't include God because I thought I could do it on my own. And guess what? I fell on my face. Okay, I fell on my face, and now my life is rebuilding, right? So now I'm learning to make sure, yes, you can have desires, yes, you can have plans, but remember to holler at your daddy and say, hey, what you think? I'm thinking about doing this. What you think about it? And guess what? If you have to fast, go for it. In the beginning of the year, people tend to do Daniel fasts and things to see God's face and see what plan, what plan do you have for me this year? What do you have for me? What excitement? What can I expect from you? And listen, fasting is fine. If you guys are interested in fasting, I also have videos on my channel regarding that. But anyways, y'all, have a wonderful day. God bless. Happy New Year. And let's all be great for the year 2026. Bye-bye.